In today's fast-paced world, financial literacy is more important than ever. Understanding how to manage money effectively can empower you to make informed decisions that impact your future. In this video, we'll explore essential concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing, providing you with the tools to take control of your finances. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you, the importance of building an emergency fund, and the basics of investing to grow your wealth. By gaining financial knowledge, you can unlock opportunities, reduce stress, and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous life. Managing personal finances effectively starts with grasping key concepts like income, expenses, and net worth. Income is the money you earn, while expenses are what you spend, and your net worth is the difference between the two. Tracking your spending is crucial for understanding where your money goes, and creating a budget helps you allocate funds wisely. By mastering these fundamentals, you can take control of your financial future and make informed decisions. Creating and maintaining a budget is essential for financial health. Start by categorizing your income and expenses into fixed and variable categories. This helps you see where your money is coming from and where it's going. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. To make tracking easier, consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, which can help you stay organized and adjust your budget as needed. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to financial stability. Effective saving techniques are crucial for building financial security, especially for beginners. One of the first steps is to establish an emergency fund, which acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in this fund. Consider using high-yield savings accounts, which offer better interest rates than traditional accounts, helping your money grow faster. Additionally, setting specific savings goals, like saving for a vacation or a new car, can provide motivation and a clear target to work towards. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial aspirations. Credit is a crucial aspect of personal finance that can significantly impact your financial opportunities. A credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, influenced by factors such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit accounts. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for securing loans with favorable terms, such as lower interest rates. To build and improve your credit history, consider making timely payments, keeping your credit utilization below 30%, and regularly checking your credit report for errors. By understanding and managing your credit effectively, you can unlock better financial options for your future. Investing is the process of allocating your money to generate a return over time, and it can significantly enhance your financial future. The main types of investments include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are loans made to corporations or governments, and mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Starting early with investments is crucial, as it allows your money to grow through compound interest. Consider exploring user-friendly platforms like Robinhood or Acorns, which make investing accessible for beginners. By investing wisely, you can build wealth over time. Navigating personal finance requires awareness of common pitfalls, especially when it comes to debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly spiral out of control, leading to financial stress. To avoid falling into this trap, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, and consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods for effective repayment. Additionally, create a budget that allows you to allocate extra funds toward debt reduction. If you find yourself overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek financial advice from professionals who can provide tailored guidance. By staying informed and proactive, you can protect yourself from debt traps and achieve financial stability. In this video, we explored the vital role of financial literacy in empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. We discussed essential topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and avoiding debt traps, all of which are crucial for achieving personal financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial stability begins with taking actionable steps, whether it's creating a budget or starting an emergency fund. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Together, we can build a community focused on financial education and empowerment for everyone. Thanks.